students. Today we will be talking about a new topic, and that topic is nature of management. Now students, you have to understand one thing. Management is one such concept which has evolved over time. With the passage of time, we have seen that this nature of management has also changed. That is why there is no one view regarding the nature of management. Some of the management experts, they describe management as an art, some describe it as science, others describe it as profession. So nature of management basically has been categorized into three parts. The first is management as an art, management as science, and management as profession. Before understanding whether management is science or management is art or management is profession, first of all, we will be learning what is science, what is art, and what is profession. So first of all, definition of science. Science is a systematized body of knowledge based on observation and experimentation and has universal validity. A, B and C, there are three points which I have written here. Science is what? Systematized body of knowledge. You acquire knowledge related to a particular field in science. For example, studying engineering, studying MBBS. This is all part of science. And that knowledge is based on observation and experimentation. Whatever knowledge you are gaining by going to the engineering college or going to the medical colleges, those knowledges are provided to you through experimentation, research, tests and all these things. And that knowledge has universal validity. You can apply that knowledge everywhere. If you are an engineer, you can work as an engineer anywhere. And that is why it is called universal validity. When we say definition of art, what is art? Whatever knowledge you have acquired. Science is acquiring of knowledge. If you have acquired a certain knowledge and you apply that knowledge in practical field, that is what is called an art. That is why art is the skillful application of theoretical knowledge, which is based on practice and creativity and has personalized application. So 3 points again here also. Skillful application of theoretical knowledge. It is based on practice and creativity. The more you practice, the better is your art. And it has personalized application. That means it differs from person to person. Studying engineering is science. Working as an engineer, example, working as an engineer is an art. Because all the engineers, they will not be working in the same manner. They have their own way of working in the field. So that is what is called art. And that is why one engineer may be different from that of the other. One doctor may be different, although they have acquired the same knowledge. Doctors, they go to medical colleges and they get the degree of MBBS acquiring the same knowledge. But all the doctors, they are not that effective. Some doctors are considered very good. Some doctors, they are considered not that good. Why? Because the application of that knowledge in the field differs from person to person. It is personalized application. That is why that is what is called art. And profession. Profession is an economic activity all of you know. And that economic activity, it requires specialized knowledge. If you are a professional, you have acquired knowledge related to a particular field of activity. And that knowledge may be in the form of qualification and experience. And then you utilize that knowledge and skill in different fields to provide services. So it provides service to serve the interest of your clients. You use that knowledge and experience, and that is why it is called a profession. What is your profession? Times it is asked. Working as a doctor is a profession. Working as an engineer is a profession. Working as a lawyer, my profession is that of a doctor. My profession is that of a lawyer. I'm working as CA in a particular concern. So that is the profession. Why? Because they have acquired specialized knowledge, qualification, experience related to a specific field of activity, and that skill which they have acquired, they apply it to solve their clients. That is why they are called professionals. So whether management is science or art or profession, we have to understand by applying these features which I have underlined here on management, and then seeing whether these features apply on management, and if they apply, it will be considered as its nature will be science in the form of science, art, and profession. Otherwise, no. So, in the continuing lecture, I will be talking about first of all management as science, the features of science, application of those features on management, and then concluding whether management is science or not. Similarly, management as an art. We have learned what is art. We will be learning about the features of the art and applying it on management and seeing whether management is an art. And then profession, features of profession, how far management is a profession. So you have to just go through it and memorize the definitions and try to understand it, except in a proper manner, understand the nature of it. Till then,